In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Asana notifications in Slack. This is a super handy feature if you use both Asana for project management and Slack for communication, as it brings your task updates directly to where you chat with your team. Let's dive into it and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Head over to the Asana website and enter your email address. After typing in your email, click on the continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password, type it in and then click on login. Once you're logged in and on your Asana homepage, you're ready to move on. Now locate and click on the project you want to link with Slack. When you're in, look for the customize option located within your project's toolbar. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, including one labeled apps. You'll want to click on apps, which will allow you to integrate with other services like Slack. After clicking on apps, proceed to click add. A menu with several app integration options will appear, and here you should see Slack. Click on Slack to start the integration process. You'll see an option to add to project. Go ahead and click that. This action will open a new page prompting you to connect to Slack. By clicking connect to Slack, you'll initiate the authorization process, which asks for permission to link your Asana account with Slack. Click on allow permission to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your Slack account. Enter your Slack email address and click continue. Follow the prompts that appear, which might require you to verify your identity or complete any additional permissions necessary to finalize the connection. Once your Asana account is authorized to communicate with your Slack workspace, return to Asana. Now it's time to configure your notification preferences. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, which gives access to more settings. From the drop down menu, choose settings. In the settings pane, locate and select notifications. Within the notification settings, you'll find an option for Slack notifications. Click on this and you'll finally be able to toggle your desired notifications to appear in Slack. Ensure these settings align with your preferences on how Asana updates are delivered to you and your team via Slack. And there you have it, you've successfully set up Asana notifications in Slack. This integration should greatly streamline your team's workflow, helping you stay on top of tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to enhance your productivity with Asana and Slack working seamlessly together.